In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark from PowerPoint document. By the end, your slides will look clean and professional without any distracting text or images sitting on top. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint, then open the presentation that has the watermark you want to remove. Once your file is open, we won't edit the watermark on individual slides. Instead, we'll go to where it likely lives, the slide master. This is where templates and repeated elements are controlled. Go to the View tab along the top menu and choose Slide Master under the Master Views section. Your screen will switch to a special editing mode. On the left side, you'll see a list of thumbnails. Click the very first topmost thumbnail. This is the main slide master. Most of the layouts and slides in your presentation inherit elements from this top master, so changes here can remove the watermark everywhere at once. Now look directly on the slide canvas for the watermark. It might be faint semi-transparent text like sample or confidential, or it might be an image or logo. Click to select it. If it's subtle, zoom in a bit so you can click precisely. Once it's selected, remove it by pressing delete or backspace. If it doesn't go away or seems tricky to select, right-click it and choose cut. That performs the same removal and can help when an element is a bit stubborn. When you're done, close the slide master by clicking Close Master View at the top. This returns you to your normal slides. Take a moment to flip through a few slides to confirm the watermark is gone. If you still see a watermark on some slides, it may be coming from specific layouts rather than the top master. Go back to Slide Master View, and this time click the individual layout thumbnails beneath the main master. Look for the watermark on those layouts, select it, and delete or cut it. Some templates include multiple layouts with their own embedded elements, so check any layouts your slides are using. Also, certain templates make elements feel locked or layered. Careful clicking and selecting on the layout usually does the trick. Just ensure you're editing in Slide Master View, not on a normal slide. Once everything looks clean, you're done. Your PowerPoint presentation is now free of watermarks and ready to share or present, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.